object, can be a vehicle, or pwedeng car, or pwedeng any object. Pero yung alam natin, at the initial time, gumagalaw na siya with a velocity of 12 meters per second. And nag-accelerate din siya constantly or uniformly. Pag sinabi natin constant acceleration, hindi nagbabago yung acceleration niya through time. Kung at first yung acceleration niya ay 5 meters per second squared, kahit umabot ng 1 milliseconds, 5 meters per second squared pa rin yung acceleration. So, tapos within 25 seconds, parang i-observe natin yung position, yung ano niya, yung motion niya. So, how do we deal with this type of problem? Sa exam, let's go. First step na kailangan gawin is not to panic. Do not panic. Yun yung una yung ginagawa. Kasi usually yung una yung ginagawa, nagpapanik kayo, nag-ano po pasa sa isip nyo. So, I'll teach you step by step kung paano mag-solve ng problems. Usually, pag word problems, yung una natin ginagawa is sinusulat yung given. Okay? So, ano yung given natin for this problem? 12 meters per second is our initial acceleration or V naught. Okay? Ibig sabihin ng O ay initial. Okay? Baka malito kayo kung bakit O hindi I, pwede ding I actually. Pero VO, we pronounce it as V naught. V naught.
There you go, girl. I know. What's not?
Anak.
We know.
Parang siyang V sub 0. Diba 0 is
Go.
initial velocity. V is velocity. Pag may substitute na 0, initial. Initial velocity. It's the same, initial velocity din. Okay, so may questions pa? Ano ba yung given natin? 25 seconds is our unit for time. Ano pa? 0. Ano pa? For letter A, the final velocity is 45 meters per second. So, ibig sabihin, after 5 seconds, ay 25 seconds, yung velocity niya from 12 naging 45. So, nag-increase siya. So, ano yung ano natin? Ano yung value na, or ano yung symbol for 45 meters per second?
Just normal V.
What does it represent? V. Okay. Or, actually, pwedeng VF or V, same lang yun. Too much S. May email pa ba tayo? Email pa.
He's gonna do the first one.
Ano time? Meron ng time. So ano yung kailangan natin hanapin? Acceleration or actually sa part na to, may points na to. So make sure na masulat niyo yung given. Okay? So mahalaga din na makita ko yung sinulat yung given para alam mo kung ano yung ginamit yung values. Okay? Okay? Make sure na masulat niyo yung given. V naught is initial velocity.
So teacher, even if you don't have the answer, then you put the given, you get points.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Wait.
Yes.
Wait, who wants to ask me? Are we gonna use the acceleration formula? V final velocity minus initial velocity over not final time.
Okay.
Yung acceleration yung
Yeah.
V minus V.
No, we're gonna use the reverse T. It's reverse.
Initial velocity. Ito.
Oh, what?
Ito yung sinasabi yung formula.
The other one. The other one.
What?
No, that's the mathematic one. Di ba? What if it's... Kasi tama yung sagot nila kahit mali yung diba? What's the... Yeah, final velocity.
lang formula.
But in fact, actually you can use any of these and you'll still get the same.
Run!
Paano nangyari yun? Actually, ginamit lang natin to. Nag-start tayo dito.
Okay,
This one for us.
Use the simplest
Yes.
minus initial velocity. So,
Okay, so paano nangyaring pwede natin gamitin kahit dito? So actually, by definition of acceleration is the change in velocity over time. Right? Tapos, we simply use algebra actually para maging ganito siya. Para minanipulate lang natin yung equation na pinakita ko sa inyo nung fourth week natin. Okay, so hindi ko naman na kailangan i-derive na to. Given na naman to sa exam, yung mga formulas. So, actually, we can apply any formula and also
wait, so you're gonna put the formulas on the paper? You're gonna give us the formulas on the paper?
Yes, nasa ano.
Thank you! I love you.
Yung mahalaga naman talaga sa akin yung process,
I
guys.
love you.
Hindi yung hindi mahalaga sa akin pag i-memorize nyo. Kasi yung process kung paano mag-solve ng problem. Okay? So, to find the acceleration, okay, we have 4 kinematic equations, but how do we know which one to use?
Without the A.
Okay, first and foremost, dapat yung kinematic equation na gagamitin natin ay nandun yung hinahanap natin. Since we're going to find A, dapat nandito si A sa kinematic equation.
Hindi siya open for the first week.
Hindi siya open notes, pero hindi niya makailangan na kasi given na yung values and formula. Okay, so alin dito yung pwede natin eliminate kagad? Alin kinematic equation yung second one kasi walang A. Okay, since wala siyang A, hindi natin siya magagamit. Now, how do we know which of these three can be used? Based on the given. Kung meron tayong V naught, T at V, dapat nandun siya sa formula. And, makikita nyo, it points to first kinematic equation. So, V equals V naught plus A. Okay. Next step is simply substitute the given. Substitute lang natin. Our value for V is 45 meters per second. Is equal to V naught is 12 meters per second plus A and 25. Okay, some reminders with substituting. Make sure na hindi lang yung values yung ilalagay. Dapat yung units din. Okay? Right. Value and units. Okay, make sure na masulat niyo yung value tsaka yung unit.
Oh, yeah.
Pwede pwede yung 45 na. Okay. So what do we do next? Paano natin simplify yan? Yung gusto lang natin na value ay A, right? So, i-manipulate natin yung equation in such a way na yung A lang yung nasa isang side ng equation. Okay? So, ano yung pwede natin gawin? So, umpisa. Pwede natin i-transpose ito, right? Gusto natin mapunta lahat ng numbers sa kabilang side at si A lang yung nandito sa right side. So, if we're gonna transpose 12 meters per second to the left side, magiging 45 meters per second minus 12 meters per second. Okay? Copy lang natin yung natira, 8 times 25 seconds. Nasundan. Nasundan. Okay lang po hindi, pwede ko ulitin. Okay. Bakit? Yung ginawa lang natin is nilipat na si 12 to the other side of the equation. Kapag nag-transpose tayo, it changes from positive to negative. Or from negative to positive. So, nag-flip lang siya ng sign pag tumatawid ng kalsada. Pwede siya isipin ng gano'n. Tumawid ng kalsada, mag-iba yung sign niya. Okay, next. 45 minus 12 is 33. What's our unit? Meters per second. Okay, meters per second. Hindi magbabago yung unit niya. And actually, isang clue kung paano mo malalaman na tama yung ginagawa mo is kung makikita mo para yung signs nila, ay units nila. Hindi ka pwede mag-add or mag-subtract kapag magkaibang yung unit nila. Which means you can add 5 meters to 6 meters per second. Hindi mo siya ma-add. Kasi this one is in meters, this one is in meters per second. Ma-add mo lang siya or masasubtract kapag same unit. Okay? So we'll be left with 8 times 25 meter seconds lang. Okay. So you can see, may katabi si A na 25. Tapos kailangan natin A lang, so we must find a way na matanggal si 25. Okay? Para matanggal si 25, paano natin siya matatanggal? Can we transpose?
No.
No, bakit? Well, pwede ka naman mag-transpose kahit magkaiba ng units. Hindi mo lang sila maaari. Bakit hindi tayo pwede mag-transpose? Kasi we can only transpose kapag
Same sign.
yung operation ay plus or minus, or plus or subtraction or addition. Okay? Yung gagawin natin ay, kailangan natin, ano yung operation between A and 25? Multiplication. Kailangan natin i-reverse yun para matanggal si 25. So what's the reverse of multiplication? It's
Division.
So, i-divide na natin siya. I-divide natin to by how much?
25.
Kasama yung unit sa pag-divide. Okay, so 25 seconds din. And, as you can see, kung may ginagawa tayo sa left side, may gagawin din tayo sa right side. So, kung nag-divide tayo ng 25 sa right side, mag-divide din tayo ng 25 seconds sa left side. Tapos, ano yung mangyayari? What will happen is, makancel out si 25 seconds over 25 seconds. Pero bakit pwede natin gawin mo? Bakit pwede natin gawin?
Because you could
Ano yung result? Behind.
because you're trying to isolate.
Okay, so try natin i-isolate si 25 over 25. 25 seconds over 25 seconds. Saan yung equal? Is it 0? How many 25 can you fit in a 25?
1 second.
So, yung mangyayari is magiging A times 1. Right? A is simply A.
Paano mo nasabi?
Ayan. So, according to identity element for multiplication, property use of multiplication, when you multiply a number with 1, you still get the same number. Okay? Dito naman sa side na to, 33 divided by 25. Kasi yung calculator. Ngayon pwede, pero kung ka-scientific calculator na.
33 over 25. What?
1 point.
1.8.
Kung nakalagay sa calculator na 33 over 25, pwede nyo pinutin yung button na SE. Standard decimal para maging decimal siya. Maging decimal constant. And is equal to 1.32 dapat. Okay, so ano yung unit natin? Meters. So when we say acceleration, ano dapat yung unit natin? It's going to be meters per second. But how do we know per second? Per number of times. Bakit? Kasi tingnan natin dito. Okay. Okay, so para ma-check guys kung tama yung units natin, magpe-perform din tayo ng operation sa units. Okay? Hindi lang tayo magpe-perform ng operation sa values, kasama na doon, pati din sa units. So let's see ano yung nangyari dito. What we're gonna do is divide meters per second by seconds. Right? Yung pwede natin gawin next is we can isolate meters per second at itatabi natin siya. Okay? Ano yung mangyayari doon? So, tinabi natin si meters per second and using multiplication, ano yung matitira dito? Seconds. Sa numerator, ano yung matitira? Yung matitira sa numerator? Meters. Yung meters per second, tinabi ko, and we use multiplication, it's 1.32. Bakit siya 1? Kasi kapag minultiply ka meters per second sa 1, it's still meter per second. Kaya mo siyang i-reverse yung process, back and forth. Okay? So, ano yung next natin gagawin? So, yung next natin gagawin is multiplication of fractions lang. Meters times 1 would be seconds times second is seconds squared. That's why our unit here is meters per second squared. May question?
What's this name first?
May question? Summarize. So we did this. So, yung flow, first step ay isulat yung given. Tapos isulat din kung ano yung hahanapin. And find what kinematic equation to use. Yan. Makikita mo yung kinematic equation na gamitin. Una, dapat nandun yung given. Which is A. Right? May A siya. And the rest, dapat nandun din yung given. Okay? Kaya merong B equals B naught plus A. Next ay substitute lang and use algebra to manipulate the equation and find A. So, after nito, kailangan nyo lang mag-rely sa math nyo or algebra. Okay, so hanggang dito nagtatapos yung physics, tapos the rest, math. Ganun siya. Okay, so may question. Okay, nyo muna. Okay. Found A. Oh. A equals 1.32 meters per second. We divided 33 with 25 and we got 1.30.
Oh my God! My
That was amazing. Nothing happened. It just,
You know what the
it just slipped out of my hands.
This is the go on YouTube. Wait, was you walking with me over time?
No, I wasn't. I didn't move here.
Okay, compare nyo muna. We're gonna proceed to our second problem. Ay, second. Oh, big kasi.
Big fight the action.
Guys, binidyoan ko yung Dinor, Teacher Frank, i-upload ko sa YouTube mamaya, aligo yung reviews.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Focus it on the board.
I was making a video the whole time. I'll upload it to YouTube later.
Why is it got this?